This is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Fanatics, Authentics, Under Wraps, Autograph Baseballs, Series 2, 3-box eBay break. November 1st, 2022. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got TOMNMIC 51306 with the Rockies and Pirates. CAOBAORTK with the Braves, Mariners, Blue Jays, Mets, and Yankees. TODHAPPE0 with the Brewers and Indians. REX 102468 with the Reds and Padres. Upstate Cards 74 with the Angels and Royals. WHIT 5 ASU with the Athletics, Nationals, and Giants. NLJACS with the Dodgers and Phillies. ROBCA 9219 with the Rangers. Sofrito, the Shopper with the Rays. Irishman Sports Cards with the Cardinals. Midwest East Coast with the Twins. DEN DEC-5 with the Marlins. Micken _1282 with the Astros. Dallas 2760 with the Tigers. JNC Cards with the White Sox. BRAM ORLOC _0 with the Cubs. ESPPT with the Red Sox. And Sherman 105 with the Orioles. That is your full lineup. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3 boxes. Fanatics. Under Wraps. Autograph Baseball Series 2. It's going to be a fun break. Fanatics Autograph Baseballs. All right, let's get the plastic off here. Our first box. Alright, there's a seal there. We'll crack that. Okay. Alright, guys. Here we go. Autograph Baseball number 1, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Maybe. There we go. Come on now. Alright, now we got down here. Okay, there it is. Hall of Fame 09 inscription. There is your auto right there. How about Mr. Jim Rice? Got your Fanatics COA right there as well. Fanatics COA. Beautiful Jim Rice. Autograph Baseball. Get the card with it as well. From Fanatics. Beautiful Jim Rice. Beautiful Jim Rice. That'll be going to the Red Sox. So beautiful hit for the Red Sox. Beautiful Jim Rice. ESPPT. Congrats. That's a gorgeous autograph baseball. Got the Hall of Fame inscription on there too. How about that? Beautiful Jim Rice. Autograph baseball. Red Sox. Red Sox strike first. Okay. All right. Box number 2 coming at you. Plastic coming off. Cracking the seal here. Okay, here we go, guys. Autograph baseball number 2. See if we can get this out of here. Maybe. I got him in there really good. Got a Beckett COA there as well, also. Alright, hold on here. Let's do it like that. There we go. Ooh, wow, this is beautiful. Okay. Got that really tucked in there good. There we go. Alright, here we go. There's your auto right there. MVP inscription. There's your Fanatics COA right there, too. Okay. How about this one? How about a beautiful Frank Robinson? Frank Robinson autograph baseball. How about that? Beautiful Frank Robinson autograph baseball. That's going to be going to the Reds. That will be going to the Reds. And Reds owned by REX 102468. Congrats. Beautiful Frank Robinson. Really nice. Beautiful Frank Robinson. Autograph baseball. Okay. All right, guys. Box number 3 coming at you. Plastic coming off first. All right, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Get the top off here first. I do put these in here really nice. Okay. See if I can get the side out there. There we go. All right, let's see here. What do we got? Ooh. Ooh, wow. Look at all them inscriptions. Holy cow. All right, so here we go. 2009 World Series Champs inscription. 251 wins, 3.74 ERA. There's your auto right in the middle. 3,577.1 innings pitched. 3,093 Ks. Oh, and 2007 AL Cy Young. And there's your auto right there. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. And that is CC Sabathia autograph baseball. Wow. Beautiful CC Sabathia. That is really, really nice. Beautiful CC Sabathia autograph. All them inscriptions. That's gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Yankees. Yankees owned by CAOBAORTK. Congrats. Beautiful CC Sabathia autograph baseball with some beautiful inscriptions on it. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Sofrito, thank you so much. Okay, so we had your CC Sabathia here, guys. I'm going to run back through our autograph baseballs. We had your... There's your auto right there. And that is Mr. Frank Robinson. So beautiful Frank Robinson autograph baseball. Beauty there. Frank Robinson. That's going to the Reds, by the way. And we started with, how about a beautiful Jim Rice autograph baseball with the Hall of Fame 09 inscription there. And that'll be going to the Red Sox. So 3 beautiful autograph baseballs. I really want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. We still have another break coming up at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's your 2022 Gold Rush autograph jersey football. Series 4, 3-box, half a case eBay break. Got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long, guys, so please don't miss out on those as well. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Really, really do appreciate it. Please, be smart, be safe out there.